Okay, hello, hi, and welcome to my channel, Super Linux, guys. Please subscribe and like our channel before anything, okay, so you can get every update from us. So today we're going to tell you about something funny we can going to do with the telescope, with our Newtonian telescope especially, okay. Just I'm going to use the telescope to watch it like this, okay, standing in front of the mouth. So the mouth is this side, I'm going to watch it this way. Okay, you usually sit and stand before it like this, okay, and look at it like this. Okay, so no, I'm going to do it this way. Now I know it's funny, it's like awkward and it's very crazy. Okay, so this is how you do it. Okay, first of all, we're going to use this diagonal, which is used for the with the refractor telescopes. Okay, now first we have to use it this way. Okay, and this way. Okay, so if you look, while zooming, so see it like this. Okay, so yeah, so good idea. Okay, now as is, it won't focus. So what we need with this, especially this sensor ASUMA 730Q, is that we're going to use a Barlow lens, any Barlow lens, but it's good that if it happens that you have a 1.5x Barlow lens, it's more than enough. It's more than enough. Don't get anything else. Okay, you can put any Barlow lens, but this is the best you can use because it won't do too much zooming. You know, you don't want too much zoom. Okay, so just we put like this. Okay, and install it this way. Okay, and you can now see I'm pointing at some mosque on the back. You don't see it. Okay, just let me see exactly if the telescope, yeah, it's pointing at the mosque. Okay, so let's see the mosque from far. So far away in the middle, when I zoom in, so you see there's a tower there. That's a tower of the mosque, okay, for calling the prayers. So now we're going to move the camera towards the telescope. I must zoom in order to capture the view inside the telescope. Okay. So yeah, this is it. So this is a telescope. I'm not using a holder anyway, but that's it. It's focused. So I'm telling you, it's focused. I know you won't understand exactly everything. So yeah, it's something funny to do. You know, it's very funny to do. Okay, so that's why. Okay. So I hope that you like this joke and this fun with the telescope. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like our channel. Bye.